Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv with yet another crypto review. And this one is a must watch. Why? It's still a tiny microcap, but it may be one of those that if you jump in now, it may make the most of your crypto returns. Not financial advice, of course. And on that note, before I proceed, guys, please note that I am not a financial advice. If you do require financial advice, please approach someone who's trained to do so. The information I'm sharing with you today is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. And furthermore, if you're from the UK, this video is not intended for UK audiences, as the UK authorities do deem crypto assets to be extremely risky and they are trying to protect you just in case you lose all your funds. So please do not watch this video. If you're from the rest of the world, welcome to Sage5.tv, where we bring you proper alpha, substance. Not much of an entertaining channel, but in this market you are here to make money and not come for some hookah. So please consider subscribing to our channel, and let's jump into this week's crypto review. And that project we are reviewing today is Altered State Token, or Altered State Machine, also shortened as ASM. You'll be hearing me say ASM throughout the video. That's what I mean. So what is Altered State Machine? Well, Altered State Machine, or ASM, is a decentralized protocol for creating ownership of an AI agent via an NFT. Altered State Machine can be used to create agents for games, financial applications, virtual assistants, online worlds, and many more. It offers users and developers the ability to create, own, and trade and train AI agents via NFTs, power up the metaverse. ASM AI agents can be comprised of two NFTs. You got the brain NFT and a form, as in a body. ASM brains are the core of an AI agent, and each contain a unique genome matrix, a set of intrinsic values that determine the inherent abilities of a brain. When trained, ASM brains will also have memories, behavioral strategies. The agent is learned via machine learning in artificial intelligence gyms. It is important to note that the form is an optional layer for each AI agent, which can be a visual or otherwise representation of an AI agent. Forms can be NFTs such as traditional 2D or 3D art or character NFTs, oral experiences, a unique identifier, or a voice agent. The form of an agent can be upgraded, traded, or replaced, allowing nearly unlimited flexibility in the creation of agents for different execution environments or use cases. Key features for Altered State Machine. We've got PADDI, P-A-D-D-I. This is an arcade-style demo driven by ASM's AI protocol. With PADDI, one can train an AI agent to battle opponents. ASM Brains is the next feature. These are unique artificial intelligence owned via NFTs, and each has a unique DNA known as genome matrix with inherent strengths and weaknesses. When trained, ASM Brains will also have memories, behavioral strategies. The agent is learned via machine learning in artificial intelligence gyms. And the final feature is AIFA, AIFA, which stands for Artificial Intelligence Football Association. This is the first use case of the Altered State Machine protocol and AI agents, a fully decentralized play-to-earn game powered by AI agents and fully rigged 3D all-star characters. Let's move on to some value proposition from Altered State Machine. Altered State Machine aims to empower a global community to shape the future of AI through non-fungible intelligence. ASM AI agents can be used in the following areas. You got sports games, for example, sports, rugby, or tennis playing agents. Combat games, for example, robots, spaceships, and superheroes. Multiplayer fantasy games, for example, Ice Zombie Armies, Elven Raiders, Orc Hordes, and so forth. We also have chatbots, for example, customer service agents, smart personal companions. Then there's DeFi and trading, for example, Delta traders, market makers, fund manager agents, digital assistants, for example, a collective of Siri that many people own, use, and train. Metaverses, for example, smart assistants, personal representatives, or digital friends in online worlds, for example, Red Player One or Snow Crash. Now, as part of our review, we are going to be applying our DEWA or our risk evaluation toolkit made up of 13 elements. And those 13 elements are, we've got decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, the age of the project team, project use cases, social media presence via X, formerly Twitter, as well as Discord. We then look at the project use cases as well as the tokenomics. Let's jump into ASM's decentralization first. With ASM, anyone can create new agents or use ASM to give your existing NFT a brain. Anyone who is an ASTO holder, which is the ticker symbol for ASM, it's ASTO, will be able to join the Elder DAO in order to participate in the creation of proposals to guide the future of ASM, as well as using the ASTO tokens to manage and grow the ASM ecosystem over time. Altered State Machine is a patent pending for the ownership of AI AI machine learning models using NFTs. I know patent pending is a trick we use in our industry just to withhold information, because as soon as the patent is published, it becomes public knowledge, but patent pending means it remains a secret. So if some people were allowed, they will reapply for patent pending over and over again, because that keeps it secret. If you didn't know that, of course. The ASM patent is a wide-ranging patent which offers ASM a unique place in the evolving NFT universe. The patent has been filed with the US Patent Office. It will confer global coverage when issued. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to apply for a global patent or apply for regional. Global patent is going to be applicable to every country. That's how it works. Let's move on to security. Fair verifiable randomness is a critical function in applications that are competitive or offer rarity characteristics. Chainlink's random number generator and verifiable randomness function is used to provide randomness both for in-game mechanics and in minting mechanics for rare attributes associated with the NFTs. The Chainlink Oracle network is also used to enable the NFTs to have dynamic attributes which build up during use. Moving on to scaling, the fact that ASM is built on the Ethereum blockchain is a concern. However, ASM NFTs will be minted using ERC 1155 token standards. Such NFTs are specifically for gaming and enable more efficient trade and transfer on the Ethereum network. An agent consists of a brain NFT, which is the core of the agent, a form NFT, which encodes physical attributes, what it looks like and how it operates. We've got memories stored in the brain's memory tree, which encode behavioral strategies the agent has learned, which is your AI model training. This model allows nearly unlimited flexibility in the creation of agents for different worlds or use cases. That's on scalability. Moving on to interoperability, multiple NFT formats will be integrated with ASM over time and made interoperable in the network. ASM AI agents will be used across a variety of applications and networks, making them as interoperable as they can be. Now, the project team. Altered State Machine was co-founded in 2021 by David McDonald, Aaron McDonald, Hal Smith-Stevens, and Phil Williams. According to LinkedIn, there are between 51 to 200 team members and 24 associated members. Social media presence via X, formerly Twitter, ASM boasts just over 37,300 followers, and on Discord, the link on the AMS website takes us to the root network, so I don't know what that link is all about. Is it because the router network team built the ASM website? We've not gone that far, but there could be a connection. Use cases. Ticker symbol ASTO, Altered State Token, or ASTO, is an ERC20 token, which means it is the native utility token of the Altered State Machine ecosystem. It is used for governance, which is creating proposals for and voting within the ASM DAO. You can also use it to train AI agents. You can mint agents NFTs with ASM Universe World using the ASTO token. You can power upstarts or new projects, instant improvements, items, and skins. The ASTO token can be used to access the ASM network. It is also the currency used to create and train agents, inter-agents transactions, participating in events such as genome mining, play-to-earn games, and more. The ASTO will be utilized across the protocol to enable access and provide rewards to participants, users, creators, and developers in each project and ecosystem use case. With ASM, one can create, compete, and interact with AI agents across many worlds, such as gaming, financial applications, including DeFi, and multimedia experiences. AIFA, or Artificial Intelligence Football Association, is the first ever use case for the Altered State Machine protocol and AI agents. It is a fully decentralized play-to-earn game powered by AI agents and fully rigged 3D all-star characters. ASM brains can be used within avatars, games, worlds, and other metaverse applications powered by AI and owned by the users. Moving on to tokenomics, ticker symbol ASTO, token supply 2.384 billion, circulating supply 22%. Now on to some token distribution. Advisors 3%, early round contributors 15%, the company and ETOP 16%, yield farming and staking 15%, DAO treasury reserve 15%, play to earn 20%, ecosystem fund 16%. So according to our own analysis of this information, it gives us an insider token allocation of 65%. Moving on to the scoring part, where we now score the 13 elements we just reviewed as part of our DIWA or our risk evaluation. Quick rundown of those 13 elements. We've got decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, the project team, social media presence via X, formerly Twitter, via Discord, age of the project use cases, tokens issued at project launch, tokens in circulation at the time of recording, maximum tokens available, as well as insider token allocation. So here are the scores we've allocated allocated to altered state machine. Decentralization, 5 points out of 10. On security, 5 points out of 10. On scaling, 10 points out of 10. Interoperability, 7.5 points out of 10. Project team, 10 points out of 10. Social media presence via Twitter, 7.5 points out of 10. Via Discord, 0, because there is no information or there is no formal Discord channel for altered state machine. Age of the project, 5 points out of 10. Project use cases, I think they have use cases in bucket loads, is 10 points out of 10. Tokens issued at project launch, 5 points out of 10. Tokens in circulation at the time of recording, 5 points out of 10. And maximum tokens available, 2.5 points out of 10. Insider token allocation, 0. Why? Because I think it favors the insiders. Insiders, by the way, it's not just the project owners or team members, it's everyone closely connected to that project. So those are the scores we've allocated to altered state machine. Do you guys agree with our assessment? Let us know in the comment section. The aggregate score for altered state machine comes up to 72.5 points out of 130, which puts it within the could go to 0 category. But that score of 72.5 points out of 130, it's a very decent score. It's a respectable. Why? Because this is still an extremely risky project, but it's punching above its weight. Now, questions for you. Do you guys hold altered state machine? I do hold altered state machine, and I'll continue to add to my bag. What about you? And any thoughts? I do honestly think these AI agents are going to be part of the winning narrative for this current bull cycle. What are your thoughts, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Until the next video, I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv, signing out for now. Bye.